When you play now, lay the body to the right hand so you can feel. So here is sitting in the center. But now I just play the left hand. Lean my body to the right hand part. So give like more toward to the right hand part. And now play the left hand. So you will feel left hand play softer right away. So try that. I feel you sit too close to the piano. You should sit a little bit back. So this angle. Yeah, and then towards to the right hand part. Here's the two notes, down, up, down, up. So before you touch, hand gesture ready, just push down. Close. So touch the key before you play. So 3 fingers exactly touch the key. And release. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Do you feel your left hand is right away softer?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you need to do a couple of times. So let your muscle feel comfortable to doing these things. And then let your right hand join the left hand. So let's do the first 2 bar. So play the left hand one more time. So sit a little bit back and play left hand, softer, lean to the right hand. Only 2 bar, and then right hand. Then hands together.